this has a K24 supercharged, I believe. So that is insane. Bro, those pops are so good. Fuel it up with 98 as always. We've got the EK4 blades in the back with new Petless 205 by 50 by 15 tires. So that tire setup is actually very good for my EG. It's actually the best setup. So we're gonna go drop off the tires to the shop, and then I'm gonna sell this hoodie in the back here. It's a bit messy, but it's the hoodie you gotta sell. But yeah, sell that quickly and then drop these bad boys off. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm gonna go sell this thing. It's just like an old zip-up hoodie. I'm gonna go sell this. I don't wear this anymore, so I'm gonna sell it and then come right back. Alright guys, let's go drop off these wheels to the shop.
Nice.
Yo, that guy almost crashed into me, bro. What the hell? My heart low-key kind of dropped. Are you guys ready? Three, two, one, go! Ooh. for now. Hey Bernard. Hey, how far away are you?
I'm just passing through Mount Wellington.
Mount Wellington.
So, based on the traffic, I'm about half an hour.
Ah, okay. Never mind. That's a bit too far. I thought if you're around the area, I would have waited. Wait, the U as in the one next to the DC5?
Yes. So just put it in front of it.
Okay,
There's
yeah.
a bit of a gap because I've left a bit of a gap.
Okay, yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I'll put the wheels in front of it. Okay, sweet. Perfect.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye. Alright guys, so we're gonna put those 2 tires. That's the DC2 by the way. It's looking good. But we'll put the 2 tires in front of that white ute. There's this S14. Looks really nice. And then obviously this DC5. Spicy. This is so sick. So clean. This has a K24 supercharged, I believe. So that is insane. Then this MX-5. MX-5? Is this MX-5? Is this S13? I can't tell. Yeah, S13, my bad. 180SX. And then there's the CL7. And this little Suzuki? Oh no, Honda. What is this? Honda logo. Ah, right. That's actually that's really tidy. Look at that. That exhaust. And the mags as well. That's actually really tidy. But yeah, let's take the wheel out of my car. So I got some fresh new 205 50 by 15s. Alright. So yeah, this is nice fresh new tires for my EG. I'll just pop it right here. Oh yeah. There we go. So, we'll definitely get new wheels for my EG when it's ready. Yeah, just gonna put it here, and then Bernard will come pick them up and put it on the car, and it should be waffable.